السلام عليكم ورحمة الله تعالى وبركاته أصدقائي. Hello everybody, hope you are all doing well. So I am Maysa, your teacher of English. Welcome to my channel. In today's video قررت أن أضيف فقرة جديدة للقناة، وهي فقرة كم جملة يمكننا أن نقول بكلمة واحدة. واليوم اخترت كلمة أو I والتي هي أنا. سأشارككم بعض الجمل التي يمكنكم استعمالها بكلمة أنا. I am Maysa, or you can say I am Muhammad, I am Sarah, I am Ali, etc. Okay? يعني يمكنكم تغيير الجمل حسب رغباتكم أكيد. I am 25 years old. I am a teacher of English. وهنا يمكنكم تغيير المهنة the job، وقمنا بفيديو خاص بالمهن في القناة أكيد. I am a woman، أو يمكنكم قول I am a man. I love animals. I love animals. وقمنا بفيديو خاص بالحيوانات أكيد في القناة. I love reading books. I love reading books. I practice sport each morning. I practice sport each morning. I go to work at 8 a.m. I go to work at 8 a.m. 8 صباحا. I enjoy going out with my friends. I enjoy going out with my friends. I need to learn English. I need to learn English. I love helping others. I love helping others. وكل هذه الجمل يمكنكم استعمالها في حياتكم اليومية. I water my plants each Friday. I water my plants each Friday. I feed my dog each evening. I feed my dog each evening. I enjoy talking with people around the world. I enjoy talking with people around the world. I don't know. I don't know، وهي كلمة نتداولها كثيرا في حياتنا اليومية. I don't know. I wish you had called me. I wish you had called me. I am a left-handed person. I am a left-handed person. Yes, I am. I like my job. I like my job. I will cook something delicious for you tonight. I will cook something delicious for you tonight. I always think about the future. I always think about the future. I guess this is a good idea. I guess this is a good idea. My sister is a pharmacist. My sister is a pharmacist. What about your sister? I live with my family. I live with my family. Or you can say I live alone. وحدي. I need some money. I need some money. I need some money. I appreciate everything you do for me. I appreciate everything you do for me. I went to a party yesterday. I went to a party yesterday. I am a hard worker. I am a hard worker. I never thought I could do it. I never thought I could do it. I won't talk about it anymore. I won't talk about it anymore. I am hungry. Are you hungry? I am hungry. I feel productive today. I feel productive today. I started a YouTube channel. I started a YouTube channel. I do not have a lot of friends. I do not have a lot of friends. I do not have a lot of friends. I wish I could speak Spanish. Do you speak Spanish? I wish I could speak Spanish. I hate liars. I hate liars. Who loves them? I prefer staying home than going out. I prefer staying home than going out. What about you? I am a serious person. I am a serious person. I started a new project. I started a new project. I love swimming. ويمكنكم استبدالها بمثلا I love football, I love hockey إلى آخره. I love you. I love you so much. And yes, you. I love you. وإلى هنا أصدقائي وصلنا إلى نهاية الفيديو. أتمنى أن تكونوا استمتعتم واستفدتم ولو بالقليل. لا تنسوا تشجيعي باللايك، سبسكرايب، كتابة تعليق ومشاركة الفيديو مع كل أصدقائكم. أراكم في الحلقة القادمة إن شاء الله. Take care. See you.